Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul.
Hi guys, it's EVERYTIME here again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm off and I'm just walking my friend to work. He's also my colleague, so I'm also going to meet up with another of my friends, so we'll go sightseeing in York. York is not so far from Leeds. It's just about, I think they said 15 to 20 minutes from Leeds, something like that. So that's all I'm up to today. I was actually wearing a microphone, but for some reason I forget to turn it on. It happens to me all the time. I forget to turn on my microphone, so I'm sorry about that. I hope it doesn't happen again, even though it keeps happening to me. So I'm just walking down to meet up with the other of my friends, so we'll go to York together. And I think they said York wasn't far. York is not far from Leeds. It's about 15 to 20 minutes away, if I'm not mistaken, from the train station. So I'm going to be using the train. And also it's my first time using the train since I came to the UK. So I'm just going to enjoy a 15 to 20 minutes ride on train to York.
Feels like time is frozen and the night is for us. And we're alone again. Every moment's golden, yeah. Feelings I've been holding in, and it must be love. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Oh, wherever you are, boy, that's where I call my home. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Whoa, boy, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. Oh, make I just love you.
So now I'm inside the train station and I'm heading to get my ticket. So I got a true and full ticket for the day. It's about, how much again? £30, true and full. I can't remember. Not so sure anyway, don't quote me. So yeah.
Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. Till the night is over. Until the night is over.
Mystic Empire.
Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no.
So yeah, I just got down from the train. It was my first time in York, and it was the first time for my friend too. So we're just touring the city blindly. So yeah.
Fire of the Holy Ghost. You can spoil the way that I'm
So we checked for places we could visit, and we noticed that there was a beach close by. So we decided to go to the beach, only to find out that it wasn't a beach. It wasn't really a beach. So this was what the map said. This was what the map called a beach. So when we got here, we're like, is this a beach? So yeah, but anyhow, we're just from here. We decided to just walk around to see what we can see, and then we located this woman. So she made a very beautiful song, a very beautiful music out of this thing that she's playing. It's so unfortunate that my mic wasn't turned on, and it was very upsetting for me, because I would have really loved for you guys to hear what she sang. So yeah, she's just resting for now, and I'm just gonna leave you guys to just watch, okay?
We got strength, I feel good, I feel blessed. A big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ. Yeah.
So after working for a very long time, we're tired and we decided to buy pizza and eat. Yeah, the pizza was actually very nice and sweet.
So we toast to the good life. Every minute's the focus, cause I pull up open doors, then it's suicide. 16 bad whoop and they all by the poolside. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. Oh, I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something where they stress me, but right now, hey, I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, for my blues and rhythm now. No, I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something where they stress me, but right now I'm chilling, too blessed to be stressed. I got love, enough friends, big family, living happily with God on my neck. Enough joy, enough strength, feel good and feel blessed. Big life, someone's wife, and the blood of Christ.
So thank you guys for sticking with me to this time. If you're still here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.